Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by signing into the Apple ID tied to the intelligence data. This ensures you can see and control all associated records. Back up anything you might need because deletion is often irreversible. Next, open Settings and go directly to Siri and Search or Privacy to find Apple Intelligence controls. This step locates conversation and personalization settings. You need that access to proceed. Once found, make sure you're on a secure network and ready to remove content from both device and cloud. You now choose which intelligence categories to remove: voice inputs, app personalization, or usage logs. Tap each category and use the delete option. You can remove single entries, a time range, or all stored data to be thorough. Apple may ask you to confirm identity with a password or two-factor code. Complete that to authorize deletion. Once confirmed, the system runs a multi-step process to purge device and iCloud copies. Make sure to repeat for each device tied to your Apple ID so nothing is left behind. Finish by verifying that those intelligence items no longer appear in Settings and on iCloud. This confirms both local and cloud removal. Sign out of your Apple ID and reboot devices to clear temporary caches and force sync. If you see data persist, recheck device list and repeat deletion there. One key troubleshooting tip: if items still return, contact Apple support and provide the exact steps you took and timestamps so they can trace replication issues and complete the purge for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.